TOEFL Exercise 14. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should remember that a wish implies an opposite meaning. Number 1.
Do you think we'll be able to get tickets for the concert?
I wish there weren't so many people in line in front of us.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
I'm sorry I didn't tell you about the parking ticket.
I wish you had told me about it.
What does the man mean? Number 3.
Did you see the work schedule for next week?
I wish I didn't have to work so many hours then.
What does the woman imply? Number 4.
Are you happy with the changes in the requirements for graduation?
I wish the department had not made the changes.
What does the woman mean? Number 5.
Are you going to the theater with us this weekend?
I wish I had enough money to go.
What does the man imply? Number 6.
Did you hear how Harry did on the astronomy exam?
I bet he wishes he had studied harder.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
Do you have a good schedule of classes this semester?
I wish I didn't need to take this algebra course. I'm not very good at math.
What does the woman imply? Number 8.
Your apartment is in a really great location.
But I wish I'd been able to find something cheaper.
What does the man mean? Number 9.
Why are you sitting all the way in the back of the auditorium?
I wish I hadn't arrived so late. Then I could have gotten a better seat.
What does the man imply? Number 10.
Are you going to the football game this weekend?
I wish I could, but I have to work on my sociology paper.
What does the man mean?